Hi, girls and boys. Have you ever heard about this name Nadiswara? Especially those therapists, healers. I'm sure most of you would have never heard about it. So, let me tell you a little bit about it now. It's an instrument that speaks about your health. It talks about alternative medicine, drugless treatment. Nadishwara is an outcome based on 10 years research experience of the founder Dr. Basavaraj K. Dr. Basavaraj is a PhD holder who's already done BE in electronics, MTech in computer science, and PhD in computer science. And his domain expert is pulse diagnosis. He is a passionate healer, and this passion has turned him to be a dedicated researcher in field of pulse analysis. As the name itself says, Nadiswara, that this instrument will sound, speak or say about your health by taking your nadi or pulse. Nadiswara uses hardware and artificial intelligence based intuitive software that makes traditional nadi pariksha easy for the user. जैसे हमें ये नाम से ही पता चलता है कि ये कोई ऐसा इंस्ट्रूमेंट है जो हमें बताएगा कि हमारे जो बॉडी है उसमें कौन सा ऑर्गन में कोई प्रॉब्लम है. जैसे कि नॉर्मल डॉक्टर्स हमारी पल्स देखकर बताते हैं. जैसे लेफ़्ट साइड पे अगर हम चेक करते हैं पल्स तो हमें हार्ट की, किडनी की या लिवर की मिलती है. राइट में देखते हैं तो ब्रेन की मिलती है, स्प्लीन की मिलती है, लंग्स की मिलती है. ऐसे ही हमारे को ये इंस्ट्रूमेंट भी बताएगा कि कहाँ पर कौन सा इशू है, कौन सा वाला हमारा पल्स वीक है, कौन सा स्ट्रॉन्ग है. वो सब हमें इस नाड़ी स्वरा से पता चल सकता है. This Nadi Swara evaluates the body function through radial pulse analysis, which is very helpful to guide the patient regarding their body basic functions like assimilation, rest, elimination, etc. of the body. This is an expert system which analyzes 5 elements of the body and suggests single point acupuncture solution which has strong clinical proof on body meridians. तो ये यहाँ तक है, ये एक्यूप्रेशर और एक्यूपंक्चर के पॉइंट्स तक हमें बताता है. ये जो नादी स्वरा इंस्ट्रूमेंट है पूरे 5 एलिमेंट्स को एनालिसिस करके, इसमें आप किसी भी थेरेपिस्ट को खुद एनालिसिस करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. ये पूरा बताएगा कहाँ पर क्या इशू है और उसका आउटकम भी बताएगा. This runs with very accurate algorithm to guide on auricular therapy also. It suggests auricular points for alternative therapies to treat patient effectively. Auricular therapy means कान पे. Auricular का मतलब ही कान है. तो यह यहाँ तक कि आपके कान पे कौन से पॉइंट्स लगाकर ठीक किया जा सकता है उसके बारे में भी ये सारा कुछ ये मशीन बताती है. Not only auricular and acupuncture, acupressure, but color chromotherapy. This instrument suggests chromotherapy based on pulse of the patient which can be used by any specialist of the wellness center. Even कि colors के बारे में भी पूरा बताएगी. This instrument suggests more accurate acupuncture and acupressure points to the traditional Chinese method points. Even psychiatric doctors and counselors who treat the patient for emotional disorders can refer Nadiswara report for recognizing his or her thought patterns. Nadiswara report will be very useful who treat the patient holistically. This is basically for those doctors or therapists who are into holistic kind of treatment. Then to measure Vat, Pitta, Kapha for Ayurvedic doctors, based on these variations, he or she can refer medicine to balance the vikriti of the patient body. कैसा है किसी भी पेशेंट का वात है, पित्त है, कफ है, वो भी डायग्नोस हो सकता है. फिर नेचुरोपैथी एंड योगा practitioners can also be referred. They can also refer Nadiswara report to choose appropriate therapies for the patients. Even naturopathy, people who are healers who are into naturopathy or yoga practitioners or who are yoga teachers, they can also be guided by just looking at the report. The Nadishwara system suggests more accurate acupuncture and acupressure points to the traditional Chinese method points. As I've already told you before, that they talk about what acupressure and acupuncture points to be treated. How to use it? You basically have to download the app or software and enter the login credentials. You have to create a new patient profile by entering his or her details. You just have to place the sensor on the patient's wrist and record the nadi. Printable report is generated within 20 seconds. This is how the report will look like for acupressure acupuncture points or for sujok points on the body. This is how the 5 element report will look like once it is derived after checking the pulse. This is how the body wellness report looks like. In this report, one can see the thought pattern of the patient. So here is the feedback by 2 different doctors after they have used this diagnostic tool. So you can have a look at it and take a call. If you really want, you can buy and use it for betterment of the society.